Chatbots are used by 1.4 billion people today. Companies are launching their best AI chatbots to carry on one-to-one conversations with customers and employees. AI-powered chatbots are also capable of automating various tasks, including sales and marketing, customer service, and administrative and operational tasks. As the demand for chatbot software has skyrocketed, the marketplace of companies that provide chatbot technology has become harder to navigate as competition increases, with many companies promising to do the same thing. 9. AI create novel chat and voice experiences across all channels with AI assistants that go far beyond your basic FAQ bot. You can set up your AI assistant online, and your first couple of weeks of using the platform are free, so you can see how you like it. The best bit is, with AI, you can get as deep into conversational AI as you want to go. Their platform has everything you'll ever need to grow your AI assistant over time, including live chat and integration with other business systems you use daily. 8. Ivo builds bots for organizations of all shapes and sizes. Their bots are AI-powered and allows your business to respond to customers in real time with either text or voice, and can be set up to understand the different rules for each channel, then adapt to offer the appropriate auto-responses. It easily integrates with a number of third-party tools, including Salesforce and Zendesk. 7. Imperson. Its full-service creative studio deploys and hosts your bot, and provides an advanced analytics dashboard including real-time insights to improve performance. They also monitor your chatbot's performance and continuously customizes it based on user behavior. 6. Genesis. What makes Genesis unique is that it patented its own natural language processing technology to help brands build chatbots that can understand their customers' intent without the need of keyword matching. Its conversational AI can interpret complex language, remember the context of an entire conversation, and reply to customers with natural responses. You can also give your chatbot its own personality and run it on most messaging channels. Genesis's customers include companies such as Intuit, Edible Arrangements, and Vodafone. 5. Maya AI. Maya AI assists you in building sophisticated bots or cognitive applications, as they call it, without getting stuck on the basics. Its cognitive framework contains everything you will need to build an AI bot and lets you build, host, and train your cognitive application, AI bot, in one place. Its bot studio has a code editor, test chat, live debugger, and visualizer. It integrates seamlessly with third-party applications and lets you easily scale your bots to take advantage of those that are most popular. Maya has a dedicated customer support manager that you can communicate with through a private Slack channel. 4. Creobot. Creobot is a simple chatbot that has a free plan, making it a good option for small companies on a tight budget. Like other chatbot software, it has a simple drag-and-drop interface. You can either build conversations from scratch or use one of the available templates. You can also create several bots at once. You can adjust Creobot's styling to fit your website's color scheme, and you can even add custom CSS if you want to. Creobot integrates with help desk software such as LiveAgent, if you want a complete solution that gives you a support desk, live chat, and more. 3. Drift. Drift lets you combine live chat and an automated chatbot, like many of the tools on this list. It also integrates with the most popular CRMs and email marketing services. Drift allows you to proactively start conversations with customers that are already engaged with the products or services on your website. It is designed to use conversations for conversions and allows you to create scenarios that help you get more sales. It offers integrations with many third-party tools such as Zendesk, Help Scout, and more. Drift is more suitable for fairly large businesses, and the pricing reflects that. If you're just starting to make money online, we recommend that you try one of the other tools on our list. 2. HubSpot. HubSpot is a powerful CRM and suite of marketing tools that includes live chat and a smart chat bot builder. The live chat design is completely customizable, so you can match your website's colors and branding. You can also easily create automated chatbot responses and workflows without having to know any code. The chat also integrates with HubSpot's powerful CRM features so you can follow up with all your leads. 1. Tidio. Tidio is a live chat platform powered by chatbots. It allows you to communicate your clients by using web and mobile-friendly chatbot, Facebook Messenger chatbot, and more. It comes with an easy dashboard and a mobile app to answer all user inquiries at any time from anywhere. You can also use automation as much as you like to answer customer questions and design funnels that lead to conversions. You can use a chatbot template or create your own chatbot scenarios based on keywords and customer behavior on your site. So these are the 7 bot building platforms you can leverage to build your own chatbots to interact with your prospects and customers. There will be more chatbot platform tools emerging very soon, and it's only a matter of time before the big players jump on the chatbot bandwagon. But for now, these are the top 7 chatbot building tools you can rely on to build chatbots for your business. The best way to determine which chatbot platform is the right fit for your business is by conducting enough research on what each platform has to offer together with the kind of bot experience you want your customers to have. Thanks for watching.